we talk about how to shop on your Costco app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is so you just go down here, click here on shop down here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. And here can you shop. I'm going to click here on beauty here for example, then you select here categories. I'm going to click here on all beauty here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Then I'm going down to select here product, just click on it like this here. So then you go down here, so just click here in this sign, just switching to open video here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Then here add content here, and here you click on add to cart. So and here can you add to list here. Then here automatically here when you click on add to cart, it's going to take you to add to your cart. And here can you so pay or shop this product here like you see on your app when you just click here on your cart. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on check out here. When you just click on it here, so like you see, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on continue to payment here. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Like you see in there, can you add your shipping address here? So then you go down in here. If you have your membership number or promo code, just add it. So then automatically when you click on continue to payment, it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.